Good afternoon, karon nata sa tong first branch and atong paminaw ng usa ka barista kung sa lami nila diri na matcha. Ingon sila, lami kayang matcha diri sa mong shop. Karon na to, let's go. Karon interview na to ang usa ka barista na to diri sa Strive Coffee.
Hi guys, I'm Mark, Strive Coffee Brewers Barista here.
Okay, Mark, unsa imong gibuhat ka na order?
We're making a signature beverage which is Strive Matcha. So for the matcha, we use Ceremonia grades, second harvest which is Kiyo. And ang difference nila kay much more umami flavor ang first harvest unlike sa second harvest, and also less bitterness ang first harvest unlike sa second harvest. For the temp, we use 72 degrees and for the water is 60 grams. Para dili masunog ang matcha, sir, kailangan yun ang temp, mag-matter yun ang temp. Tuhan juga siya, legit yun, legit. From Japan, makita na to sa yung texture, and we also use a ceremonial grade. That's why lahig siya sa uban nga gamit sila kanang mga culinary grade nga matcha. So the proper whisking of matcha is like kanang W whisk. Just like this. So, for the matcha, if makita nimo nga nindot na yung quality sa pag-whisk, wala na siya kanang like parehani. Okay na yung texture. So, proceed na ta signature cream. So, we need to put some full cream here. So, we need to fruit cream. Tadan! So, after that, put some matcha dash. It is also authentic matcha. This is our signature beverage here, Strive Matcha. Thank you.